we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly for this word. In British English, this is normally said as sovereign, sovereign. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as sovereign, sovereign, more of a sa sound rather than a saw sound. Sovereign in American English versus sovereign in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.